Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kajing Shah Khang trong Karkhana Sanyar hapo gashnong riwyang. Kooperatif Kom Kashri Sakhambari Ferro Alloy Private Limited hakador bashnong riwyang kelayat benta kumalai tayo AA hakabana kalyang trong kibriu badepet yakani ke Karkhana klapersyang benlum jingalang bakador bashnong nakabenta banya penbet badekran halogi kendrum kendram kulami kad hadu benda Khangno ke Karkhana. Hagajing alang kebalong hakajan mit artrip yayong arajar pausan nagalyang jingi bor badepet ke Karkhana blami kemadu Arun Jain bade way ni kitrai trong ke Karkhana. Badagdor bashnong dalam kemadu sodar uba W yau penyau kimshim lohun satya ya kejingkran jong Arun Jain namun bagi kwa banyak kendu yunarish goyal hak bagajing alang kelasyu pulam no bat kelami tanggajing dawa baka Karkhana kediban penbiang. Uba W yau penyau habakran jilat patai kuborul ong bakimat ki bakador bashnong keladawa di bor penyat ke Karkhana kikin thop ban penyot ke sub center dekat ki doktor ki jaka puli hapok kashnong ku umbam umdi hama lagi tliu yeng jong kashnong ban penbet je ketong kam thong jam hapo ka Karkhana ringkat ki jing tho pasai ban le kho je ki saw dong saw kun bat ban penbiang ki jaka penlang jabo bami na ka Karkhana karbana kalyang jong Arun Jain ulong ba ki mat jing dawa ka dor bashnong ki long ki basyong nongrim ya ki ba ka Karkhana kan hab ban le kat bakot la ka bor henre kat ba ka Karkhana kadang don hap deng jing Shah Khang kan ma de ki jing do nong.
Villagers have always been pretty friendly with us for the last 10 years. Whatever problems have arisen, we have immediately solved it. This time, they simply came on the 13th of March with a huge crowd stating that shut down the industry. And they came and they create a ruckus type of a situation where all my staff people, they were all scared. And then the plant was shut down. And the plant is shut down since 13th of March. It's almost 3 weeks now. And there was no official intimation to us that we have to shut down the industry. But anyhow, we could not resist. We had to shut down, so we shut down the industry. Now, after the industry was shut down, we were trying to contact the Basti people to know why this shutdown has been asked for. And ultimately, till today, we haven't received anything official. But unofficially, we had a meeting today on my request. We just wanted to know what are the reasons for which the industry has been shut down. So it was quite, it was beyond our comprehensive power to understand why the industry was shut down. We felt without rhyme or reason, these things have been shut down. But when we asked the headmen and the village people, they could not reply as to why the industry was shut down. And ultimately, with the help of definitely a few friends of theirs, they got to give us the reasons. And the reasons are beyond the commitments made during public hearing. So there are most of the things which were committed during the public hearing has been attained, and particularly there was a big commitment for the pollution plant, which constitutes and comprises electrostatic precipitators for the power plant. We've got 3 such precipitators which controls the total smoke of the power plant. Then we have made a huge investment in the pollution control device, which has costed us more than 3.5 crores of rupees. And thereafter, time and again, we maintain the pollution plants by replacing the filter bags, and the same process is still on. If anybody wants to examine, come and see, they can come and inspect what activities we are performing to maintain the pollution control. So now, whatever the demands they have put, some are really very practical, which we will definitely look into it and try to analyze. And we would request them to come sit with us, have a one-to-one talk as to how things can be put into action, curbed in a systematic manner with proper budgeting. And if it suits our end, we will definitely go for it. There are certain demands which are beyond that also, beyond the public hearing, for which we will definitely look into it, which will benefit everybody, especially the Basti people. So I'm still at a loss why the industry was shut down, and now we will try to request them to give us the permission to restart, and so that one by one we can take up all the matters related to this. And I think things should move on smoothly. And if they still insist, no, the industry will not run here, then we'll have to wind up and we will shut down the industry and we will go away. That is the last resort. If we have to take recourse to that, there will be no alternate but to go back. So now it all depends upon the Basti people and the administration as to what they want from us. And we are hopeful that it is a very small, trivial things which can be sorted out at their level only. And if given a chance, we will definitely try to solve the problems and to settle the issue with them. Though there is no such issue, we have all the alternates to curb all type of pollution, which we have been doing. We have been maintaining that, but because of certain reasons, there was a lack of, what should we say, not lack of supervision, lack of outside conditions which are beyond our control, not assisted by the people of this area, this district, for the transportation. So we had to, there was no alternate. We could not manage the way we were managing. So our fly ash that used to go to the cement industry regularly, right from the silo where we collect the dust, we put it straight to the trucks, and the truck used to go straight away. There was no pollution as such. Because of the transportation problem, we could not transport that, and that created a little problem, and which is controllable. So we will try our level best to cope up with all the conditions, and let us hope for the best.
Te kajing dua kepakongsan kajungi keba jadi bat kane kakot kakia pakongsan keba ngelabu kamat kapaningkong ba kade ba ngidawa na ka factory ba kade ban bu yakwi ka sop sunta rapo ju ka snor yang te nagne jung kiro kem patkan syai haba ide berkane kamat kisuang bangin sale te ya kataro ngin hp ji nakne ju ka ba sinong habade ka poin ka ba arung dawa ka bede bat ka ani ka puli ka puthi namar pushna bo thau jingi paton wat ka we ka school ru te nakle ju ka snor dawa na company ba kade ban bu ru ya ki school apo ka sungjungin ba bangi sim jing ki khon jungi menta baro ka bangi fa school nya fa shabar ju ka snor yang ka ba lak ta sha ya ka jung sep jung ki kimi ki pa baro kam ta me kishnang ga thau te ka point ka balai ru ka jindawa ka jungi na kane ka company ba kade ba penbiang ya ki umbam umde ban penyo maman lak thruying kumbangi yo barabora ka skim JJM ru ka penyo yangi umbam umde te kumta na kan jungi ga snor ngi dawa company ba kade ma penpoi aman ki thruying amar ba ngin mama shu ban bu menta namar ba na ka jing pentu jakre jogi ka factory ni fly ash ka balawan ra yangi bangi ta shu bu stock ka haying ru kan la shu bandi namar ba ka jing punya kre jong ni fly ash te ka point ka basan ka ba nakling jongi ka do ba snorung la bu hangne ba katung jam haba katung jam kum balong kisem ka baladep katung jam kalong ka ba itorti hadu kata haba katung jam ru kitang syutung kat bamon la tibe kat bamon re ka jingkwa jongi ka do ba snong ru menta ba katung jam ka de balong ka ba syai haba ngitung ru de balong da ka jingthok ka basyai habang ibe aru ngibe da ka basyai namar ba haba ka jingsu ka jing tedaru ka de balong ka basyai ken ha ka bagi thung jam dawar ka company ka de banle khoj ya baro ki kun jong kane ka factory pat ka de ban ka kularu ya kane ba ki de banle bandon kita ki storage ban bread ki jakle baro ba mi ne factory re ka taru ka kular hi banle tang ba kandon hi ke jing bom pat syai nak ling jong ki jong factory ba namar ba ya kanero ki haban wan kat jong umalik ndai wala kataru ekling jong ki kadoba snong ngidang i4 ki ba ki de banle ekane but kadoba snoro kala bu ke jing ke pat ke factory ba ya kene kimat ki dawak jong ki de ban poi hak chikan bat umalik kada kaling jong malik msimla awan ban ekran makmat bat ngi ya kene ka jing dawa ka jong ngam la ban pedeng yano bawan ban ong ba andai bercim ke jing bakri na uta unung trejung naris goyal andai ngi kwa ba naris goyal wan hi khmat ba kana bar snang ban kren hi dal jong utrai yakini ki mat jindawa ki jungi
te kumba ini sengau na sordar ya ka ba ila penchai na ka banta kini kam baro ki jindawa jung snang Ting sengau ya kaba akan ngapor ya kaba ni manjur bat ni la manjur hida barok kasnong ya kaba min pentri kam ya kini kam ba company kan le ya kini kam barok bat ni dawaru ba kumbang ila bu akan ngajing thok ba lakum no utrai jong kan company un pun urlong ya ni kimat jing ya kran ke jungi hapo jong ka lai phu sngi ka ba ila yo ya kaman bu